buckled in?
Yeah,
instantly. They're like the ultimate cruisers. They're super comfy. You can do a road trip in this car.
Yeah.
And honestly, I think the aspect of little traction is really fun. Some people might not like it because it's too much, but man, it is the ultimate fun.
Yeah, I think so too.
And we got a little bit of heat in the tires. Let's see what it does from a dig.
Damn.
It's crazy.
Man.
Oh my gosh.
I love it. Really impressed. More than I could have imagined. We're awesome.
drive a stock one when you can drive this?